First, open the focus folder. Go down and find this color icon printing software. Double-click to open. Then this is the print display area. Select folder. Select the folder where the printed images are stored. For example, we need to print the calibration chart first. Select this for the folder. Then add. After adding, you can set the number of prints here. Here you can see the DPI accuracy of the image. This is the print setting. Here you can set the white margin in the X direction. Set the white margin in the Y direction here. After setting, you need to click Save. The second item is the system settings. The color register of the nozzle can be set in the system settings. Here is the calibration in the Y direction. This is a calibration in the X direction. Each color KC on YW requires individual calibration. After each change, click Save. Here is the occlusion function. Feathering can be set. The rain function is only available in 1256. Generally, we choose 6. Here you can choose to set the feathering function of each color. Select 6 and then set. Save. You can see KCM here. Pull to the left to see YW. Each can be set individually. This is the nozzle calibration. We generally recommend that customers calibrate the nozzle one under this text folder to print. Here is the voltage and temperature monitoring of the nozzle. Load here. After loading, the temperature and voltage of each nozzle can be observed in real time. One or two corresponding to each color. Temperature voltage. This temperature must be observed. It prints best at around 35 degrees. There is no need to change any numbers here. Select here when choosing to print. Click to print. See Preview Image. Then click Print. It shows that it is printing, and then it can be printed through the printer.